Hello, everyone. Welcome to One Stop Academy English. Today, I have a very special lesson for you. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain a picture in writing and in the speaking section in a way that you will get the maximum score. I will give you some tips and tricks, and I will give you some standard sentences which you can use while describing any picture. Before I start, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. And you can also use the feature of super thanks to keep us doing the good work. And you can also become the member for more personalized feedback. So let's start. Let's start with this picture. I will give you a standard line which you can use to describe any picture. And that standard line is this one. This image portrays an astounding display of a photographer's exceptional skill and expertise. You can use this line for any photograph. If it's a painting, you can change the word photographer with painter. Now, keep one thing in mind whenever you describe a picture. You should be able to say something about the picture. You don't have to describe it in a certain way. Like there are no right or wrong answers because whenever we see a scene or a picture, we see different things. Some people pay attention to colors, some people pay attention to feelings. To describe a picture in writing, you get about a minute. And in speaking section, you get about 90 seconds. So in writing, depending on your speed, you can write from 40 to 60 words. So your best bet is that you use advanced words and perfect grammar. So I would advise you to, if not memorize, then read a few sentences over and over again. For example, this one. I'm going to highlight this one. So this can serve as a starting sentence for any picture you want to describe. Now look at the colors which are in a picture, be it a painting or a photograph, doesn't matter. So in this picture, we see bright colors. So you can say vibrant colors. So vibrant color is an advanced word to say bright colors. Vibrant colors set the tone of vitality and energy, bringing the scene to life. So you can use this sentence. I will explain this sentence in a moment. So as I said, vibrant colors are bright colors. And bright colors are also always associated with energy, with high emotion. So you use the word vitality and energy and set the tone. Again, an advanced expression. Now, if you see any animal, for example, in this picture, you see a cat. If that animal is in focus, for example, if there was a cat hiding behind the flowers, we couldn't see the cat properly, then we won't say this sentence about the cat. But because you can see it and the image is very clear, you can use this sentence. The cat in the picture looks so real that it almost feels as though it could leap out of the frame. Again, we are using advanced expression to describe that this cat looks so real that it looks like that it will jump out of the frame. Now, this is again kind of a standard sentence which you can use pretty much for any picture. The picture makes me wish I could step into the scene and experiment it firsthand, as if becoming a part of its world. You can say that pretty much about any picture. Now, you can question that the picture might not be that great, but there's no one to judge. The picture is great or not. It's very subjective. It might not be great and great for one person, but I might want to be there. So you can use that. So the picture makes me wish I could step into the scene. Step into the scene, pretty advanced way of saying it, that I wish I could just go there and experience it firsthand. Like firsthand is that, experiencing it something yourself. as if becoming a part of its word. So if you put a comma here, the grammar is good, and you explain it this way, it can be pretty impressive. So this description can earn you the maximum point in a picture description. I have few more examples with the pictures. So let's look at the other examples. Let's say if the colors are not vibrant. So what you can do, look at this picture. This is a different picture. There are very light colors in this picture. And instead of an animal, there is an old building there. So how are we going to describe this? So let's see. The first sentence, we are going to keep that the same. The image portrays an astounding display of the photographer's exceptional skill and expertise. So this sentence you can use for any picture. Now, because the colors are light, look at this flower. It's a lilac color. The picture has light color. The background has light colors. For light colors, you can use the word pastel. Pastel colors evoke a sense of calm and tranquility, infusing the scene with a soft, serene ambience. So let me highlight this sentence and then I will explain to you what does it exactly mean. So as I said, pastel color means the light colors evoke, like bring out a sense of calm and tranquility, like a feeling of peace, infusing the scene with a soft, serene ambience. Like this, it's infusing means that it's making the scene, ambience, environment. Like the whole thing is very soft and peaceful. The ancient building, ancient, old. As you can see, this is an old picture. You can use this word for any old picture. Sometimes in real tests, they give you a picture of a church or any a museum. For all those kind of buildings, you can use ancient building. Ancient is an advanced word for old. The ancient building stands as a timeless testament to history, its weathered stone and intricate details whispering stories of a bygone era. You see, you can use this sentence to describe any picture which looks old. So here, the ancient building, old building, stands as a timeless testament to history. So it's timeless, like, something which is forever, and it's giving us some, uh, it's telling us something about history. It's weathered stone. Like weathered stone are stones which have seen a lot of weathers, and they are not in their original shape. They have become broken, old, and intricate details like small, tiny details, whispering stories of bygone era, time which is past. It's telling us the story of that time. So you see how advanced it is. In this one sentence, you are using a lot of advanced words. If you can memorize these words, use the correct grammar, the sentence structure is correct, and your spellings are right, I can guarantee you that with this description, you will get the maximum marks. The picture makes me wish I could step into the scene and experience it firsthand as if becoming a part of his world. This, as I said, you can use for any picture. Now, moving on. For example, we have a picture where we can't say that there are pastel colors or these are the bright colors, even though the colors are not very bright. At the same time, the sun is out, so they're not really pastel either. So you can simply describe the colors this way. The picture's palette means that the colors in it displays a seamless interplay of tones like different shades, blending smoothly across elements while maintaining a cohesive and harmonious arrangement. All you're saying in this sentence is that all the colors go really well together, but you are using the advanced expressions. So if you don't really understand the colors are bright, or you want to say them pastel, simply you can use this sentence. Moving on. Look at this picture. If I look at picture, then this man will stand out because he's looking different than others, and this man is on in the focus. My first uh, my first intention would be that I want to say something about him. But if I don't have the right vocabulary, then I will stick to this formula. I can say all of this. The image portrays an astounding display of photographers' exceptional skill and expertise. I can say that even if I don't believe in it, because it's a very, very simple picture. But no one can say that you cannot feel this way. Now, the colors are, of course, pastel. Pastel colors evoke a sense of calm and tranquility, infusing the scene with a soft, serene ambience. It's not a very peaceful environment here. There are not flowers around. It's not a scene of nature. But who is telling you that you cannot feel peaceful there? The people in the scene radiate a sense of life and movement, each one contributing to the vibrant atmosphere with a distinct presence and energy. Now, of course, we cannot say the vibrant atmosphere and pastel color together, but who said we can't? We can, because the colors are pastel because nobody is wearing the bright colors, but you like the hustle and bustle here. People are coming and going, so, even though these images are blurred here, but you can get away with it. The picture makes me wish I could step into the scene and experience it firsthand as if becoming a part of this world. To me, it looks like that some people are coming off and going to the bridge, or maybe these are the stairs of some metro station. And I might have some memories. Might want to go there and be part of it. So that this was a very different example. I just wanted to show you a different picture where you can use the same sentences. And look at this picture here, this one. Okay, so here are the soft pastel colors. We first praise the photographer. There are no people here. Why did I put there? So, of course, we can remove this sentence from here, and we can talk about the emptiness of this place because there is no one there. There's a bench and nobody's there. So what do you think we should write here? So I'm going to put the blanks here and give me a suggestion that which sentence should fill in here. You can look up the internet and look for a good sentence, and please write in the comments. Now moving on. Okay, here you go. The absence of people in this image enhances the sense of solitude and allows the viewers to connect deeply with the natural setting. No people here, so you can say that. But what about if there were people? Look at this. So this is a picture from a beach. The colors are pastel, so we say the image portrays an astounding display of a photographer's exceptional skill and expertise. Now is the time that you give me some suggestion that give me a neutral sentence, which pretty much mean the same, but it has a different vocabulary. If you write it in the comments, I will correct it for you. The colors are pastel, so we go with this standard sentence we have. The people in the scene radiate a sense of life and movement, each one contributing to vibrant atmosphere with a distinct presence and energy. So if people are there, you can use this sentence. So people in a natural scene. And the picture makes me wish I could step into the scene and experience it firsthand as if becoming a part of its world. Now, these were some standard sentences. If you become a member of my channel, I can give you a lot more examples. We can talk about some standard sentences, and please consider buying the super thanks because it will help us keep going and making and sharing more videos. Let me know if you like this video, then I will make more videos about other writing sections and speaking section of Duolingo English Test as well. If you are taking exam anytime soon, I wish you all the best and see you soon. Bye bye.